And friends, now our most of the part is completed. I've shouldered all the wires as you can see here. But now friends, as you can see here, I have attached a USB port here. This is a OTG. As you can see, this USB fits inside the OTG. So you can get this wire from here and attach both the wires from plus and minus as here. So if you have any USB socket just like that, so you can plug in this normal USB socket here, so it will be very easy for you to change it. But as you know, I have no need of these wires and connectors here, as I like to prefer bare wires, as you can attach them anywhere. So as you can see here, this is a 12 volt LED light and I have my converter here. Now wait for this. As you can see, this is a big giant power bank or it's a Raspberry Pi, but wait, I am connecting all the wires. So as you know, I am connecting this USB socket here. So now as you can see here, this is my power supply. This is the 12 volt LED light, as you can see here. So I'm giving it here and just switch on the power bank and boom, bah, you can see the LED light glowing. Yeah, this is a 12 volt converter. And the best thing of this is you can adjust the power supply from here. You can convert it from 12 volt till 24 volt. Yeah, this is a 5 volt power supply that is needed to all mobile phones. So you can run even this big LED light strips using this small converter. So how was the product? Please comment below, and if you say that I should speak in English or speak in Hindi, or I should be silent through whole video. Bye bye.